Now let's make another order. This time, the customer wants 2 hot chocolates, 1 latte, and a single espresso. But for the single espresso, they would like some extra milk. This can be easily noted by the POS app. So to make this note, press on the espresso on the order on the left-hand side of the screen. This will bring up a pop-up window for the item. The most frequent requests can be chosen by choosing the relevant terms. In this example, by pressing more and then milk, you add the note that the customer wants more milk in their espresso. You can also type in any specific notes if required. To exit and go back to the main screen, press Save to save the note. Once the order is completed, press Pay like before to go to the payment screen. In this example, let's say the customer wants to pay by cash. Enter the amount they give, and the amount of change required is automatically calculated for you. Let's say the customer does not want a receipt, so press Pay and Close. If you have a connected cash drawer, then this will be opened at this time for your convenience.